progressive journalism, like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon for latest updates.
This island is in the middle of the Pacific Ocean, located more than 3,000 miles away from any continent, and is least populated in the world. The Pitcairns make up a total land area of just about 47 square kilometers. As of 2014, around 50 people stay in this beautiful island with rocky cliffs and no permanent water source. However, it has 3 seasonal semi-permanent springs. In 1789, evading British justice, the HMS Bounty mutineers set off from Tahiti in search of a refuge. What they found was one of the most remote islands on Earth, located thousands of kilometers from any continent. While the mutineers on Tahiti were later arrested by the British, those on Pitcairn were able to start a community with Tahitian companions. In an act that sealed their fates, the group sank the Bounty off the island's coast and remained there, undiscovered, for 18 years. In 1838, the Pitcairn Islands officially became a British territory, and today, all of its residents are descendants of those original mutineers. Today, the Pitcairn Islands are among the last of the British overseas territories, and Pitcairn itself is home to fewer than 60 people. While all islanders speak English, their first language is Pitcairn, a Creole language that is derived from 18th century English dialects and Tahitian, making it the world's most remote inhabited island. Pitcairn has no airstrip, no safe harbor, and no scheduled shipping service. Pitcairn residents get all of their electricity power through the generator. The generator stays on for only a couple of hours a day and is shut off at 10 p.m. sharp. Would you live in a place like that? Let us know in the comments below.